Well, the new unit's hanging. It's PuriCare. So far it's not too bad. I just turned it on 2 minutes ago. Can't see from here, but I think this is low. High speed there. Low, medium, high. Not too bad. Got an Ionizer. I don't know if it's going to do any good, but got it. And that's it. Comes with a little remote, little baby remote. Little baby thing. Let's see. There you go. Starts up on low power apparently. So far so good.
Okay, quick review. This is Purisystems PuriCare 1100 air filtration system. Alright, so this is the hanging screws and tools, and there's the manual there. It's got two little ways to grip it from the sides. You got to hold it like in front of you. You can't really suitcase hold it. What's really interesting is it is super powerful. But when I mean super powerful, definitely, you know, this is maybe a better view. It's super powerful and low. When you go to medium and high, I mean, it's like extremely powerful. So, you know, I think if sound is an issue, it may not be the right unit for you, but if you put this into like a crawl space or another area, I mean, it's going to have an incredible amount of CFM. I mean, it's really blowing it out. You know, if they're looking at that being 1100 CFM, I think it might be hitting it because of just the sheer amount of air coming out of the side here, and just kind of incredible. All right, thank you.